Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican 2 million or US $12,900. It is ideally located in the upscale community of Westgate Hills, St. James. This spacious house consists of 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living room, dining area, large kitchen, laundry room, veranda, and a garage. It has 2 self-contained floors and could be a two-family home. The land area is approximately 7,405 square feet. This property is in walking distance from two prestigious prep schools and is in proximity to the airport, beaches, entertainment centers, supermarkets, restaurants, and downtown Montego Bay. This is definitely a income generating property and it is also move-in ready. This house is priced to sell. Make contact today to secure this home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.